Why are we teaching math differently? If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Here's my response to this. First, I want to acknowledge that change is hard. I'm 32. I grew up only knowing what's considered the standard algorithms. But I really appreciate the other methods, and here's why. If math class is all about getting the right answer, then just use a calculator. If you're on your phone right now, a calculator app is just one click away. But math class is not just about getting the right answer. It's about these. Can students understand the problem? Are students using their estimation skills? Can students defend their answer? And more. So let's see an example of a different method. So say that we're doing subtraction. Say that we are doing 63 minus 18. We can think of this as if I start at 18 on the number line, how can I get to 63? That's it. That's the new method. But counting up isn't anything new. We've been doing this for ages. So how would you do this? So you might have done one of these methods or something else. Math is so creative and we lose out on all of these contributions if we just focus on the algorithm. And we can do this with larger numbers. So I can do 10,000 minus 3,584 in just 2 steps. Now pretend that we've done this method for decades, and then this new method comes along. Pretend that this is the first time you're hearing this explanation. So we are going to do 10,000 minus 3,584. We have to go right to left. We can't do 0 minus 4, so we need to exchange one 10,000 for 10 1,000s. And take one of those 1,000s, turn it into 10 100s, take one of those 100s, turn it into 10 10s, and take one of those 10s and turn it into 10 1s. Now we can subtract. Now, I don't know about you, but in this experiment, I can imagine people complaining about this, saying, why are you making it so complicated? Why are we exchanging 4 times? Why can't we just count up? So when we're talking about this method, are we critiquing it because it's complicated or just because it's new? Now, in terms of understanding, it's really easy to fake understanding here. Like when I was a kid, I just followed the procedures. I didn't know what I was doing. But it's really hard to fake understanding here. Now, I want to end with one more thing. Identity is very important when it comes to math. Whenever I reveal that I'm a math teacher to someone, the 5 most common responses are, I'm not a math person. I suck at math. I hate math. You must be smart. I'm sorry. Like 90% of the comments are how much they do not like math. So math is a creative subject. So if we only focus on the algorithm, that shuts out every other perspective, including this one. Math class should be a place where students share their ideas. And when students are contributing their ideas and they see that they are valid, I think that makes for a more positive math identity.